The best with the collaboration with Wingqvist is that now we, after several years together, we know each other and we know each other's needs and possibilities and have the ability to create good projects. And for the future, I'm sure that we will continue to develop many good solutions that will have effect on our business.
Volvo Cars is a very important partner for us. They have been quite early in adopting our results globally. They were very early also in starting with virtual methods and tools.
My name is Anna Davidsson and I work for Volvo Cars. I'm also the representative for Volvo Cars in the Wingqvist board. And the reason for us to cooperate with Wingqvist Laboratory is that we consider Wingqvist to connect all the major departments at Chalmers, and together it makes a very good combination for most of our needs. At Volvo Cars, we are using two main softwares that are developed via Wingqvist Laboratory, and it's the RD&T, which we use for measurement point preparation, MP drawings, offline programs for CMM and robot measurements, final demands measurement preparation, freeform scanning, tolerance change calculation, requirement drawing, development of non-grid assembly simulation methods. Some of the examples that we use IPS for is, for instance, path planning for a part. When you position a part and you want to assemble it to that position, to find a conflict-free way to that point. And that is then used for many different situations when we are assembling and disassembling and so on. We are also using the developed human mannequin for ergonomic simulation. We're using paint simulations and also the integration of point clouds together with the models, so we can use the existing situation that we have scanned together with the point clouds that we are making models for our new factory of. Recently, we have been working with a systematic approach to make sure that the T-studs that we are putting on the body of the car, where we hang on different parts afterwards, when we make sure that these are correctly, but the requirements are fulfilled for those when we make a new design of the factory. And that is an analysis work that takes a long time, and by using this automatic procedure, we can probably squeeze that time with 80 to 90% if everything falls into place.
In which way is this collaboration strengthening the Swedish industry?
I believe that the Swedish industry is strengthened by Wingqvist Laboratory due to that we are many companies sharing more or less the same needs, some different angles but the same needs. And by taking part in developing the softwares from different angles, the software becomes broader and of course can be a good software for many companies to use, but also from our perspective, when we're using it, we discover that, oh, maybe some new ideas and also and even more ideas coming out from the daily usage of the software. One example that we have recently been working on together with some Wingqvist partners and some European collaboration is the energy optimization of robots by using less speed for those robots that don't work all the cycle time. And well, figures show that 25 to 30% less energy consumption is possible by doing these kind of simulations. The more solutions you can test by modeling and simulating, the more potential you have to become sustainable. Energy, scrap, quality, all those things you can add as parameters in your different test versions. And the first one that you build then is an optimal one.